If your Apple Watch is stuck on the charging screen and won't turn on, you're not alone. In this video, we'll break down why this happens and walk through proven fixes that actually work. Step 1. Battery fully drained. One of the most common reasons an Apple Watch gets stuck on the charging screen is a completely drained battery. When the battery reaches zero, the watch may need a longer charging period before it has enough power to turn on. In some cases, the screen may stay frozen for 20 to 30 minutes before the Apple logo appears. During this time, the watch isn't broken, it's just slowly recovering from deep discharge. Step 2. Charger or power issue. Another frequent cause is a problem with the charger or power source. Using a damaged cable, a low-power USB port, or a non-certified charger can prevent the watch from charging properly. Even if the charging icon appears, the watch may not be receiving enough power to boot. Apple recommends using the original magnetic charger or a certified alternative and plugging it directly into a wall adapter for stable power delivery. Step 3. Dirt or poor contact. Dust, sweat, or debris on the back of the Apple Watch or the charging puck can interfere with the magnetic connection. When the charger doesn't sit flat against the watch, charging becomes inconsistent. This can cause the device to remain stuck on the charging screen without progressing. Gently cleaning both surfaces with a soft, dry cloth can often resolve the issue immediately. Step 4. Software glitch. Sometimes the problem isn't hardware at all, but a temporary software glitch. watchOS can freeze during startup, especially after updates or unexpected shutdowns. When this happens, the watch may appear stuck even though the battery and charger are working fine. This type of issue is usually fixed with a force restart, which clears temporary system errors. Step 5. Force restart fix. A force restart is one of the most effective solutions for an Apple Watch stuck on the charging screen. To do this, press and hold both the side button and the digital crown at the same time. Keep holding them for about 10 seconds and release only when the Apple logo appears. This forces the watch to reboot and often brings it back to normal operation. Step 6. Software update problems. In some cases, the charging screen issue can be linked to outdated or corrupted watchOS software. If your Apple Watch eventually turns on, checking for updates through the Watch app on your iPhone is important. Apple frequently releases updates that fix startup bugs, battery issues, and charging-related problems, making updates a key step in preventing this issue from happening again.